Hey, this is JR here at CES 2020 in the Kicker booth, checking out the Harley-Davidson plug and play upgrade kits. Now, we hesitate to use those words plug and play. Kicker might actually really mean it though. They do have many plugs on them that actually fit and work perfectly with the factory OEM plugs in Harley-Davidson motorcycles, meaning you really can just plug them straight in. These systems come as a 2-channel or a 4-channel system. So the 4-channel amp comes with front speakers and back speakers that fit in your factory or your OEM Harley-Davidson speaker location. So in the front fairings, in the back next to the seats, comes with all the wiring needed. So all you got to do is connect it to power and ground and to the radio. For 2014 and up bikes, you're going to need the audio programmer. You're going to need that to flash the factory radio to sort of level out all of the settings. It sort of fixes everything that the factory radio is doing to EQ it for bad factory speakers. You can also get this system as a 2-channel. The cool part about that is you actually still get a 4-channel amplifier with the 2-channel system. And with those extra 2 channels of power, you can add more speakers. For example, these speakers right here that could go in the bags or the luggage racks on the sides of your bike. And one of the things Kicker's doing that I think is pretty neat, instead of providing a template for you to cut out a hole in your OEM bag top, they are providing an entirely new OEM bag top replacement. This whole thing is new. With the Kicker speakers mounted in it, it is reinforced, so it is strong. It's not going to sag or bend or leak water. When you have speakers built in, they have grills that go over top of it and look fantastic. So that's the Harley-Davidson plug and play kit. You can get it as a 2-channel, 4-channel, and we know there's lots of Harley riders out there that want better sound on their bikes. This is a really, really good option, and you're probably going to play some rock and roll, which is exactly what you should do with Kicker speakers anyway. So that's the plug and play kit for the Harleys from Kicker. I'm JR at CES 2020. Thanks for watching.